Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can change the wallpaper on Motorola Edge 50 Ultra. In order to do this, first we need to go to the settings, then go to personalize, and over here you can tap on this wallpaper over here on the left side. Now we can see the current lock screen and home screen wallpaper. Now we can choose a new wallpaper. If you scroll down over here, you should find the list of all available options. So you can choose a photo from your gallery. You can create with AI, you can use a dynamic wallpaper, and so on and so forth. And we also have some curated images. And so let's go with a dynamic one. In this case, we have to download the wallpaper first. So I'm gonna choose this one. If you press this button, then you will start downloading. Over here we can see the progress, and there we go. So now we can select the wallpaper and we can choose set wallpaper. I can choose it for home screen as well as home screen and lock screen. So I'm gonna choose for both. And there we go, we have changed our wallpaper. And that's it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.